What if I told you that most musicians are practicing the wrong way? Not because they lack talent, not because they don't care, but simply because they're missing one critical tool that could change how they hear, learn, and even perform music. Well, today we're covering an app that can help with just that. So as if you didn't already know, here's the conflict at hand. Some people say that apps like Jamzone make musicians lazy, while others quietly use it to level up faster than everyone else. So which one is it? Well, today we're going to break it down. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is something that you should ignore or something you should actually start using like tonight. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a deep dive into Jamzone, what it does, who it's actually for, and where it actually falls short. And later, I'll even show you one feature that most people overlook. But once you see it, you might even rethink how you practice entirely. At its core, Jamzone is a music practice and performance app built around one idea, simply control. Not just playing along to a song, but breaking it apart, reshaping it, and rebuilding it in a way that actually works for you. Now, inside the app, you get access to multi-track versions of songs. That means that instead of a single audio file, you can isolate instruments, mute them, solo them, or even adjust their volume. So if you're a guitarist, you can remove the guitar, for instance, and step into that space yourself. And if you're a vocalist, you can lower the original voice and take the lead. So already, I'm sure that you can see the shift here. This isn't passive listening. This is active participation. But now here's where it actually begins to get interesting, because you see, control alone doesn't make you better. It's what you do with that control that actually makes you better. So first and foremost, we're looking at instrument control. Each track in a song is adjustable. You can fine-tune your mix depending on what you need to hear or what you need to remove. It also has tempo and pitch adjustment, which allows you then to slow songs down without distorting them or change the key entirely. This matters more than people think. Why? Because most practice frustration comes from trying to match something that's just out of reach. Ergo enters Jamzone to lower that barrier slightly, and suddenly progress becomes repeatable. Now with progress, there usually comes a lot of reperformance of the same exact phrases, and that's okay. Jamzone actually allows you to loop sections, and you can isolate a specific part of a song, a verse, a solo, even just two measures, and loop it until it just becomes second nature. Now this is where practice stops being random and actually starts being intentional. Now, I understand, however, that there are a wide variety of genres out there. There's a wide variety of music styles that you could choose from. So how is Jamzone going to address such a plethora of choices? Now, Jamzone took into account that there are many different styles of music, and individuals don't just have to settle on one genre with this app. In fact, Jamzone includes a wide range of songs across many different genres. But more importantly, they're structured for interaction, not just playback. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you a feature that turns this from a practice tool into something that you could actually use live, even if you're performing solo.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. that's walking around with.
At the end of the day, Jamzone isn't trying to be everything for everyone, and that's actually one of its strengths. Hold on, back up real quick. I want to clear something up because this is important. Earlier, it might have sounded like Jamzone is just a practice tool, and I don't want it to come across that way because that's not the full picture. Jamzone is actually used by working musicians and cover bands in live performance settings, not just for rehearsing in your room, your hotel room, or a garage. What makes that possible is the Pro version, and that's where things step into a completely different lane. You're getting features like MIDI mapping, AUV3 and VST support, and high-definition audio tracks. But more importantly, there's a built-in license that actually allows you to perform these songs live, and that's a big deal. So yeah, please don't take away from this that this is simply just a practice tool. It can absolutely be part of a live rig if you're a solo performer, in a duo, or even running a full band setup and the bassist calls out sick. This is specifically for musicians who want to practice with intention and fill in missing band members, maybe even, or even rehearse without needing a full group, or even prepare for a live performance with more flexibility under the hood. So if you're someone who thrives on structure, repetition, and control, you're likely going to get a ton out of this. But if you prefer purely organic, unstructured playing, this might feel a little bit restrictive for you. Okay, now let's address the other side because it's true, no tool is perfect. First, there's a little bit of a learning curve. Having control over everything sounds great until you actually have control over everything, and then you have to learn how to do that efficiently. Secondarily, not every song that you're going to want to play is actually going to be available because while the library is large, it's still curated. And thirdly, and this is probably the most important, tools like this can create a false sense of progress if used passively. If you're just playing along without intention, you're not actually improving at all. Which brings us back to that earlier conversation of, does this make you better, or does it just make you feel like you're getting better? And this is where I feel like the answer depends on one feature that most people don't fully use. Yes, as promised, here is performance mode. Now this is where Jamzone quietly shifts from practice tool to performance partner. You can structure songs, control transitions, and essentially build a backing experience that adapts to you. For solo performers or even small groups, this opens up options that normally require more people, more equipment, and more complexity. And this is where the earlier criticism starts to fall apart because at this level, you're not actually replacing skill anymore. You're extending what you can do with that skill. All right, guys, so sort of a final verdict of what I feel about Jamzone after I've been using it for a little bit. And I have to say, Jamzone is not a shortcut. It's actually more like a mirror. It reflects how you practice. If you're intentional, it amplifies that. If you're unfocused, it actually exposes that. So the real question isn't whether Jamzone works. It's whether you're willing to use it in a way that can actually challenge you. My friend, if you have been stuck in the same patterns, this might be worth exploring. Not as a replacement for real musicianship, but as a way to sharpen it, to hone those skills. And if nothing else, it forces you to confront how you practice and whether it's moving you forward or not. Hey friend, you've made it to the end of the video, and for that, I want to reward you. Go to the Jamzone website and download the app from there. Use the code HSS, and it will give you the Pro version of Jamzone for a whole month. Now, I must make mention that this code will not work unless you download it from the Jamzone website, not from the App Store. Enjoy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I've got for you today on the Jamzone app. I would definitely encourage you to use the link in the description of this video or that's located in the first comment to go and check it out. You're going to love it. I guarantee you, if you are wanting to up your game, if you're wanting to get more practice in without it feeling like a chore, go and download Jamzone. Remember, we can dream alone, we can even create alone, but together we can achieve so much more. God bless.